Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to share with you guys my 7 to 10 week pregnancy vlog. Today I am 10 weeks and 5 days pregnant, and before I get started I want to mention why there hasn't been videos. I know I do this a lot, but school is just super busy right now. The next 2 weeks are final weeks, and I've just been going ballistic with research papers and everything else. On top of that, I didn't really have a doctor's appointment until just a couple of days ago, so I didn't really have a lot to share other than symptoms and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to get started with my 7 to 10 week pregnancy vlog. I'm also going to be recording some other videos today, but you will see in about 2 to 3 days, my November favorites. They're going to be late, but bear with me. I promise they'll be back on schedule probably after the 15th of this month. I will have them up every other day like I normally do. So anyways, I have a lot to talk about in general, so on to my notes, and yeah, let's get started. Like I said, I'm 10 weeks and 5 days pregnant today, and I just want to mention that a lot of people have brought this to my attention, that there's kind of drama when it comes to pregnancy vlogs. If you do it with a beauty channel too. Yes, this is my beauty channel, but I'm also pregnant. I want to share this story with you guys, my journey, and I also want to keep it for myself and my child. We plan on burning all of these videos onto a DVD and saving it for our baby later on, and also some family members that don't live around me also watch these videos. So I know some of you probably don't care about my pregnancy videos, so just don't click on it, or just get rid of me. As much as that would suck for you guys to unsubscribe, if that's what you guys want to do, that's fine. But this is my channel, and I want to do what I want to do with it, so I apologize if none of you guys want to follow along my journey. I don't know if I'll be showing the baby that much when the baby is born. But anyways, let's get started. My symptoms from week 7 to 10, I have been getting a lot more nauseous lately, more than I was before, and I did vomit twice within those weeks. I think it was the 8th week, I think. I was in class, my algebra class, and I knew I was going to vomit. I was sweating, and I just didn't feel good, so I went to go get up, and this kid's book and his book bag were like blocking the aisle for me to get out, and I pretty much knocked over his book, and I went to go grab it. I bent over and I threw up in class, so that's not good. That was the last time that I vomited. I haven't vomited lately, but I think that has to deal with my prenatals. If I don't eat a big meal, I can't take my prenatals. They switched my prenatals to Prena Plus, I think it's called. Just some generic prenatal vitamins. Like I said, my insurance company did not take the vitamins that I was taking. So I have I think there was 30 in the bottle, and I've only taken 10, and I know that's bad within the month because I'm supposed to take them every single day, but it's just so hard when I'm at school because I'm so afraid to vomit now, and I don't know, so I've only been taking them at night usually, but sometimes I just forget because I get too busy right before I go to bed. So, and I've also been having some weird dreams when I do take them right before bed, so I don't know if it goes along with the pills or not, but yeah. Anyways, I am a nursing major. If you guys don't know this, this is the field that I'm going into, is labor and delivery. So I tend to know a lot more than the average person, just from books and stuff. So I really don't know how to explain this, so I'm just gonna forget about that. There's one thing I do want to mention is you have a sacrum. It's connected to your tailbone, which is actually called your coccyx. And my sacrum area is what is hurting me. I've had severe sacrum pain to where I can't even sit. I pretty much have to get on all fours and push my bottom up in the air because it hurts that bad. And I'm only 10 weeks pregnant. I shouldn't be doing this already. So yeah, I don't know what to do about that. And I also was feeling dizzy for about a week. My doctor says I'm dehydrated. I've never been the type of person that drinks water. And when I have recently, since I've been pregnant, I've been drinking water. But I still, like, I just don't like to drink. I don't know, like, I'll drink, like, 1 bottle of water and I won't drink anything else for the rest of the day, and that's just what I drink. So, I don't know, I'm just not big on drinking, and it's probably why I have so many medical problems. It's because I'm always dehydrated. But, I don't know, I'm trying to do better. Yesterday I had 3 water bottles. So yeah, anyways, on to cravings. I have been craving subs. I don't know if I mentioned this in the last video, but the craving's still there, because pregnant women are not supposed to eat deli meat of any sort, bologna, turkey, nothing like that. As far as I know, I've heard it from my doctor, also my pregnancy specialist, and stuff like that. You can get some type of disease. It starts with an L. If I remember, I'll put an annotation of what it is right here. I'm not quite sure what it's called, but pretty much if you get sick, from what they told me, is if you do get this, which is rare, but if you take the chance and you do get it, you and your baby can both die. To me, that craving isn't worth it. I know tons of people that ate deli meat their whole entire pregnancy, but I don't know if I want to take the risk. So let me know if you guys heard that or not. I just don't want to take the risk. The next thing has been like fast food, and I know that's bad. It's only been like Taco Bell and like pizza, but me thinking about it right now makes me not want it. The way my cravings go is pretty much once I get that craving and I eat what it is, I don't want it again. I haven't wanted pizza again for a long time. So, yeah. My favorites of this pregnancy so far is sleep. I've always been the person that loves sleep, but just been loving sleep more. I've also been loving my stretch mark cream, even though it stinks. I think it stinks. It leaves an odor on my clothes. So I haven't been applying it that much, but half the bottle is gone, and I got this at the end of, I think, my 7th pregnancy week, and yeah, I'm already halfway done with it. And it's a 8.5 fluid ounces. This is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Massage Lotion for Stretch Marks with vitamin E, collagen, and elasticin with shea butter. It just looks like this, and it comes with like a little pump. Like I said, I like it. I just don't like the scent. So let me know what one you guys use that you can get at Walmart. Because it's pretty much the only place we shop. And I don't know why I'm running out of breath. So anyways, an update on my appointments. I had my iron checked by my specialist on the 9th. And I do not eat a lot of meat. If I do eat meat, it's chicken, and that's rare. I do eat hamburger if it's in something like spaghetti, but I don't just eat a hamburger unless it's from like a fast food place. I don't eat steak, I don't eat ribs, nothing like that. And it's not that I want to be a vegetarian or vegan, I just don't like it. So anyways, they were really shocked when they checked my iron, because they thought it was going to be low, and it was actually a 12.1, and they would like it, I think they said, over a 12, so that's good. I also got my OBGYN appointment on the 30th. I go every 4 weeks, and the heartbeat, I did have my sister record it, so my boyfriend was not able to go, he had to work. But my sister did record it, but the doctor made me pull down my pants for some reason. And she kind of got some of that in there. Maybe I can like put a clip in there where you don't see all of that going on. I may or may not put it in. You'll find out once this video ends, I guess. So anyways, the heartbeat was 172, and from what I've heard of the myth, if your baby's heartbeat is 140 or below, it's a boy, and if it's above 160, it's a girl. So yeah, and also a fun fact, our appointment to hear the heartbeats was our first snow of the year, so that was November 30th, and I hate snow, just so you know, and our area gets a lot of snow, but thank God we don't have any right now. It just snowed for the first time on my appointment. So on this second, which was yesterday I believe, I got my throat checked. I have a neurologist because I've had numbness in my right side of my face and the right side of my neck since we got back from Pennsylvania in July. So they ran like a whole bunch of blood tests and everything, and they did a thyroid panel, but my T3 hormone, thyroid, came back about 3 points lower than it should be, and for some reason the doctor wrote it off, said it was normal, but the nurse was kind of like freaking out when she told me about it, so I don't know. And then I mentioned it to my OBGYN, he said everything was normal, but my neurologist wanted me to go see an ear, nose, and throat doctor because there is a lump right here on the side of my neck, in the thyroid area on the right side. So we went there yesterday, and pretty much all he did was ask me questions, and then he just felt my neck. What he thinks it is, as of right now, he said that he's been wrong in the past. He thinks it's nothing serious at this moment. Unless it gets bigger, I need to go back to him immediately. But because he's able to move it with his finger, it moves in a ball, he doesn't think it's cancerous or anything like that, a tumor. But he said pretty much that he just thinks it's swollen because of pregnancy, because the lump's only been there for 2 months. And my ligament could be stretched because it's tighter than the other side. So that's what he thinks it is, and both of the neurologist and the ear, nose, and throat doctor think that the numbness is from my trigeminal nerve. It's called trigeminal menalgia or something like that. So yeah, enough about that. My next appointment is on the 28th with my OBGYN. I will be officially 14 weeks at that appointment. I will be 14 weeks in 1 day. And it will be the second trimester for me, which hopefully I'm not sick by then. Just this nausea just really bugs me, and I know some people that have been sick their whole entire pregnancy with nausea and vomiting, and I just pray that it doesn't happen to me. And as far as I can tell, this video is already 13 minutes long. Hopefully I can shorten it. I have some things that I want to talk to you guys about, and I also have some questions. So the other things that I want to talk to you about, I have been getting messages, about a dozen of them, asking if I was going to open up a P.O. box, so you guys can send me stuff, like little notes and stuff like that. Not just for my pregnancy videos, but also my beauty videos. I will mention this probably in a November favorites or something like that. But I'm debating on it. I kind of want more input. I know there's a lot of hate with people that open up P.O. boxes. I'm not saying I want you guys to send me anything at all. I also have been debating to open up a P.O. box, mainly because when I ship out prizes to you guys, I never put a returning address unless I know you personally. And if something would get lost in the mail, they can't send it back to me because I don't put a returning address. So, I don't know. I kind of want to get a P.O. box. Just let me know in the comments how you guys feel about that. I don't know. I just don't want you guys to feel like you need to send me things because it's not what I want at all. If you just want to send me like a little note, I have a scrapbook specifically for my YouTube channel that anything that anybody, a company, somebody I did a swap with, anything like that has sent me a card or something, I actually keep those and I put those in my scrapbook to look back on. And I just love scrapbooking, so that I have my own YouTube scrapbook. I might show you guys later on. Anyways, this video is getting super long. I'm going to have a link down below for ExpectNet and the game name, I want you guys, if you guys want, to guess the baby's gender, height, weight, and when it'll be born, because whoever is the closest, I do plan on giving away something to you guys. Next thing is, I wanted to ask you guys to help us with baby names. The weird thing is, we've been together for 5 years. Probably a year after we started dating, we had our baby names picked out, and now I am just starting to hate them. I don't think I like them, and we plan on doing a gender cake reveal. I'll talk more about that later when it gets closer to 20 weeks, but that's when we're going to also announce the name of the baby. So if you could just give us like some names down below. We're not into anything common at all. My boyfriend's name is Sten, and that is a unique name, and that's what we want our baby's name to be. Well, not be his name, but something unique. Something that like nobody has. So if you guys have any ideas or any cute names, like I like Liam, but I know a few people named Liam, and my boyfriend also hates that name for some reason. I've always liked Liam, and also Abs and Lala, their son's name is Liam, so that's another reason why I don't want to name my baby Liam, but I feel like it's a unique name. It's not like Brittany or Ashley or something like that. It's just boring. I don't want a boring name. Anyways, so another thing is I'm going to be having a Hello Kitty contest very soon, so watch out for that. It should be up within 2 weeks, I hope. I'm just waiting to get the stuff. So anyways, questions quickly, because it is 17 minutes already into this. I'm sorry, but I have a lot to talk about. Let me know how you guys feel about a chiropractor during pregnancy. I've seen a lot of videos on here that people go to see a chiropractor around this time for back pain. I just don't really know much about that. So let me know if you guys got it done or if it's worth it. Also, let me know if you guys signed up for classes. I know a lot about pregnancy and birth and babies. I'm sure I can always learn more. Trust me, I probably can. But I know a lot. But I mainly want to go to classes for breastfeeding because I know some about breastfeeding, but it's not very common in my family, and I do plan on breastfeeding. So I want to do breastfeeding classes, and I also want my boyfriend to go to classes because he's only been around my nieces and nephews and the kids that I watch. But I still feel like he needs help, especially with diapers. So let me know when you guys think I should sign up for classes. Is it too early? I know I'm not anywhere past the miscarriage stage, but I just don't know when people sign up for them and if there's a wait or anything, so just let me know. Also, let me know how many ultrasounds you guys got during your pregnancy, your healthy pregnancy, because I'm just curious. My doctor kind of like runs out of the room all the time, and he doesn't really talk much, and I don't know, so I don't really know how many ultrasounds I'm going to be getting or when I'm going to see my baby, but I want to make sure that my boyfriend's able to go to those appointments because he doesn't really tell me what's going to happen at the next appointment. So yeah, and also the last question is, let me know if you guys want me to do a pregnancy vlog every 4 weeks or every week. It will eventually be into a week even if I do every 4 weeks. Pretty much, the reason I thought about this is because my doctor's appointments are every 4 weeks, so I'll be able to update you guys on things, and then towards the end it'll be like every week. So I'm not quite sure if you guys want me to do it every 4 weeks, every week. I just don't want people getting pissed off at me because I'm doing this on a beauty channel, but honestly, it's my channel, so I don't know. So yeah, that is a lot of information, and hopefully I can shorten this video. But I love you guys, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon for my November favorites. And like I said, leave any comments down below. I would love to hear your guys' input and your thoughts and answer my questions. And yeah, and also don't forget to guess the baby's gender. Alright, bye.